Hi friends, welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, my name is Avi and I'm a technological leader at Nogami. In this video, we will first talk about the reasons our organization needs a data warehouse. Then I will explain in simple terms what a data warehouse is and what is the architecture of the data flow from the data sources to the data consumers through the data warehouse. In the next video, I will dive deeper and explain the advantages of using a data warehouse compared to other implementations that seemed logical at the first glance, but when you dig deeper, you discover there are many shortcomings. Before we start, I want to remind you to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button to get notification on each video I upload. So, why our organization needs a data warehouse? The answer is very simple. We want to improve our business bottom line, and to do it, we need our managers and employees to be able to make a better business decisions. And to make a better business decisions, we need to develop a data-driven strategies and consulting the facts. For example, we can evaluate initiatives that have been successful or unsuccessful in the past. This allows executives to see where they can adjust their strategy to decrease cost, maximize efficiency, and increase sales to improve their bottom line. Data warehousing improves the speed and efficiency of accessing different organization data and make it easier to derive insights that make our decision much better. Let's take a look on the data flow architecture when data warehouse is involved. We start with our goal. We want to improve our business bottom line. For this, we need to have a better business decisions. And for that, we need to have insights that come from reports that reflect us reliable data. The reports are generated using BI tools such as Power BI, Tableau, Qlik, QuickSight, Pyramid, and much more. The BI tool that generates the reports needs data. This data exists in our organization, but it is distributed among various data sources and it's not always clean and reliable. A data warehouse is needed to centralize, store and manage large amount of diverse data from different sources, provide a single source of truth, facilitate data analysis and reporting, and supporting decision-making processes. The raw data that sits on the various data sources is not ready for analytical reports. You cannot just take raw data from all data sources and centralize it to have an integrated report. It's really like cooking. You don't mix all raw ingredients that appear on the recipe to make a meal. There are steps to follow in order to have a successful meal. Same here, the raw data need to be clean and transformed to analytical data model. As a good meal requires a professional chef, similarly, a good analytical model requires an experienced data architect and data analyst. There are two main strategies to move and transform our distributed raw data in our organization into analytical model inside our central data warehouse. The first strategy is called ETL, extract, transform, and load to the data warehouse. The second strategy is called ELT, extract, load, and then transform. This topic is not going to be covered in this video, but we will put a link in the description below to a series of videos I made last week which explain it in details. Don't forget to check it out. It is very important. It has a lot of implication to your overall data solution. If you have more questions, you can comment below and I promise to answer you soon. In the next video, I will dive deeper and explain you the advantages of using data warehouse compared to other implementations that seemed logical at the first glance, but when you dig deeper, you discover there are many shortcomings. So stay tuned, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button to get notification of each new video I upload. Until then, you must check out the short video series I made for ETL and ELT strategies. If you got value from this video, do please drop a like on the video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.